standing up? Oh, I think it's a baby.
I think so.
Oh my gosh.
Look how big he is.
Oh, wow, let's see if we can't get him up here. Oh, look at him.
Tell me if you want me to go or stop.
Oh, he stopped right there.
Harry?
Hi, baby.
He's chirping for his mom.
Really standing up. I bet Mom's left him. He's pretty old. Let's see if we can get him. That's okay. Hi, baby. What you doing, little fella? So we've been watching this little bird of prey grow up out here in the middle of nowhere in Torrance County. It's kind of hard to see him, but try to get where we can see his colors. He's real brown. I think he's keeping a good eye on me today. I think we're about the only ones who come and check on him. There, right there. I think I can get him through the... He's a little bigger than his nest now. Where'd he go? And we have not seen his mom. I'm just gonna get back so you can see where it's just so desolate out here. Let's look at this. Look around. You see, there's just not really anything here. We don't see Mom again. Well, look, from over here we can really get a view of him. Let me zoom in. Try not to make anybody sick. Look at that. You can see it's the first time, oops, he's been standing up. The first time he's been standing up where you can really, really get a look at him. I'm trying not to make y'all sick, but I'm trying to do these videos unedited. Go up here and look at this. Is kind of sad. I don't know if that's a coyote or a dog, but you know, it's the reality of living out here in the country. We're just gonna go around. Oops, sorry. Again, I'm just like trying not to step on a rattlesnake. See if he'll maybe turn around. Get so that sun is not right into the camera. There we are. Oh, we can get his backside and kind of see his colors. Hey, little feller. Or in this case, big feller. Oh, he's really grown. Look at that. Can you see him, Paul?
Yeah. He's doing real good from right here.
Pretty neat. We haven't seen Mom in some time, so I'm thinking that this baby needs to fly the nest.
He's probably been out and back.
Probably. I'm not really seeing a whole bunch of down anywhere on him. Oh, let's see. It's a little easier to look at the film later. And I am just always using my old phone. But there you go. That's pretty fascinating.